Hey friends, first take a look at these outfits from an offline local store. Now I have only these raw images and I want to create a marketing shorts for my YouTube and LinkedIn and TikTok. Now check out this video.
Welcome to our fashion premieres. Do you want to know how to style your wardrobe? Explore our new Kurta collection.
So without having any kind of photo shoot, video shoot or any editing teams, I just created the entire ad video using one tool. Not only this, using this tool you can also create shorts from podcast and also create story visuals for your brand. So without waiting, let's see which is the tool name and how to use it. First, go to the tools website. The link of tool you can find in the description. This is the home page. First, click on sign up for free button in the center of screen. Then log in using your Google account. Once you are in, you will see box in the center. This is where you need to enter your content. For example, if I'm creating a marketing video like what I'm doing here, then you can paste or type your script in the box. Next, choose your style, then select video length, and after that select the aspect ratio. Now click on plus icon at the bottom. Here you can add audio, video or your voiceover. We'll go through all of them. So after that, click on this arrow icon. Once you click, the tool will start analyzing your script. A new script box will appear. In this, you can change the narration. If you want more natural sounding voice, you will need to switch to the paid plan. But in the free plan, you can still change the style, aspect ratio or anything else if needed. The tool will automatically choose a characters for your video. If you want to edit your script, type the change in the script box and click the change button. Your script will be updated. You can also change the script language from here. The video duration is also shown here. If you want a longer video, you can adjust it. After all of this, click on make video. This will cost you 20 credits and video will be ready in few minutes. So now if you want to customize the video, go to the left panel. Here you can see the next option is caption style, where you can change the caption format. There are many styles available. You can pick one of them. Then you see option for title and logo. You can upload your company's logo and title here and make it customized. To remove the watermark, you need paid plan. You can also change the caption color and add the custom style. There are character tab where you can switch characters. The generate image option lets you create AI generated images. You can also generate new video based on your content. Then comes upload media section where you can upload your own assets. In the audio section, you can adjust the voice volume, and there is also GIF option if you want to use that. So there are so many good options, and if you use all of them, you can create awesome video. And we are going to use many of them. So let's see. Now let me show you how to customize a few things. For example, if I want to change an image, I'll click on image. Then go to the asset section, click on image I want to use and click the replace current image, and the image will be updated. Now I'll make other changes as needed. If I want to edit the script, I will click on the script and the pop-up will appear where I can make changes. To animate an image, click on animate button. You can animate using Kling AI or SVG AI options. This will cost you around 10 to 15 credits, and both of AI will provide a different quality images. If you want to add or change transition for an image, click on image. A panel will open on the right where you can change the caption, scene, position, animation, speed, loop animation, background effect, and transitions. In the transition, you can also do from inside or outside. Once everything is ready, go to top right corner and click on export. Select your preferred quality and format and then click on start export to download your final video. And that's the final result of your video.
Welcome to our fashion premieres. Do you want to know how to style your wardrobe? Explore our new Kurta collection. We are talking about the captivating colors, exquisite designs, and unprecedented artistry.
Looks really good, right?
Yes!
So this tool has a lot of awesome features, and one of them I really like, which is you can upload any YouTube long videos or podcast, and the tool automatically generates a snapshot of it for your YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. You can also upload on TikToks. So if you want to see how you can generate it, those kind of shorts, then please comment down in the box and I will definitely make the next video on it. So if you liked today's video and if you found it useful, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.